Bedtime Politics Disclaimer. These videos are made to be listened to in a relaxed state, such as in bed before falling asleep. The content presented tries to take the anger and division out of political issues, while the relaxing sound of rain is heard in the background. These videos should not be watched or listened to while driving, operating heavy equipment, or performing any task that could result in harm to self or others. By listening to or watching bedtime politics videos, the individual takes all personal responsibility for when, where, how, or under any conditions, personal or environmental, said videos are watched or listened to. For those that think we live in a democracy, I would point you to Lee Jamiller's YouTube channel. She is a lawyer that points out very clearly how the U.S. is not just a plain and simple democracy, but a more complex republic. Yet, in the final analysis, I have to disagree with her. We do live in a democracy, only it's not the democracy you think. We live in a democracy of five, that is, 5 Supreme Court justices that constitute a majority decision in any case the Supreme Court chooses to hear. Their decision decides what is and what is not constitutional, and their decision becomes the law of the land. You don't vote for any Supreme Court justice. They are picked by corporate interest through various foundations. They serve until death if they choose. They are near impossible to impeach, and they can hobnob with whomever they choose. They can refuse to answer any question or just outright lie to Congress during their confirmation hearings, and still not be impeached. They can't be sanctioned, and they are not guided by even the ethical standards of lower court justices. That is, they have no ethical standards imposed on them by our government or seemingly even themselves. Yet their voices in a majority of 5 determine how you live and die. Now, do you believe me that we live in a democracy? Only it's not your democracy. It is their democracy, a democracy of 5 that serve at the behest of the powers that put them there. With enough pressure from the public, we can change this situation.